Welcome to NAIJA News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist, and celebrity gossip happening around. For first-time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Still on the ultimate love reality TV show, the first steps of the love guest with the god of love. With 8 weeks to find love, God of love by their side, and of course a love part filled with tons of food and drinks, the love guests have each sailed their ships with selected partners. Do you remember how your favorite love singles doubled up, became couples in the Auntie's love part? While we can all agree that first impression and attractiveness forms a vital role in love at first sight, little wonder why Iyke, Jay, Cherry, and Bolar fall under this category. Man like Iyke knew from the first glance at Theresa that she was, how does he say it again? Numero uno. And why Cherry and Jay had to add a huge chunk of patience and understanding into the mix, it is with no doubt that their love for their partners sprung up from love at first sight. Again, nothing beats true love that comes with similar attraction. Don't believe us? You can ask Bolar. Let's flash back to the first day in the love part. The pair could hardly finish a sentence without the other partner jumping into it to chip in a similar story. From their likeness for similar things to how passionate they are about the same industry, and of course, Arnold love for curves, this ship was made to sail. Don't get us wrong, love at first sight can also come in the shape and size of new love guests in the game. However, we cannot deny that Charity and Chivia took huge steps together in their love journeys upon first sight. This counts, right? Of course it does. We love love. In a short while, we see how both pairs have succeeded in finding love, learning love languages, and above all, getting to know each other. Shout out to the God of love for making this ship have a seamless sail through it. The power of a second glance. Who says love is only real if it happens on first sight? Heck, you might not even be lucky to recognize love if it slaps you in the face and strips you naked while at it, which is according to our resident couple like JLo and Roxy. Giving love a second glance should be considered. You can even get a pair of glasses, and if you still can't see love at the second glance, just keep looking until love walks away and leaves you blind. Which brings us to the question, is love really blind? Jenny Coco may not have been Louis' first love choice, but you see, when he took a second glance at this self-made, smart entrepreneur, he made no choice but to work with her. Speaking of second glances, we really need to ask Kachi how he got Rosie suddenly blushing at the mention of his name. After stating clearly that Kachi wasn't a selected first, second, or third preferred partner, they both decided to let love lead. And there we have it, guys, a solid Roxy ship. Or is it though? A match made in heaven. A rewarding relationship must function on a spiritual level. Now, what happens when you pray fervently for your partner and within a matter of days, he or she is yours to keep? Definitely ordained from heaven. With Obi, their love is a spiritual connection, and no forces in the love part can say otherwise. Not even the gossiping tongues that seem to force their ship. What prayers have brought together, no wagging tongues or friends can put asunder. This is the case of Obi in the love part. Presh David may not have a smooth ride, but as soon as Presh Tucker walked through those doors, nothing could hold him back, not even his declared love and kisses for his first sweetheart, Rosie. Although we tempted to acknowledge that this was love at first sight in the love part, we really think it was a ship made to be. What do you think, guys? How do sapiosexuals fall in love? Why don't we ask Double Chris? They both admitted to not seeing any physical attraction upon first sight, but they have Both similarly describe the spark they felt the moment the exchange was and thought. If you find yourself lost in afterminds instead of body, and intelligent conversations are your favorite kind of foul play, then you relate to the double cross type of love. What we love about this ship is how they are intentional about taking things slow and watching the love blossom. Beside their ability to share meaningful thoughts and opinions about similar things, their inability to dance during parties as they sit together and share into space is worth giving another chance of love. So guys, let me know what you think about these first steps of love in the love part.